Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to link Facebook page to Instagram. Let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook account and then tap on the menu bar here. Right now you have to switch to your page. You guys can simply do it by tapping on here. Now you guys can find out the page that you want to add in your Instagram account. Now tap on the menu bar here. Here, scroll down like this. Now you guys can find out settings and privacy. Tap on here and then tap on settings. Here, scroll down like this. And under permission section you guys can find out linked account. Tap on here and here you guys can find out two options. One is Instagram and the other one is WhatsApp. In this video I'm going to show you how to do it on your Instagram app. Now tap on view. Here you guys can see connect account at the bottom. Tap on here and then tap on continue. Now they will ask you to add your phone number or username or your email and then put the password here. Here tap on continue. As you guys can see, my Facebook page is right now connected to my Instagram account. So this is how you guys can link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.